I just bought the rice for the pig. So these are the buckets. Some of them are filled with. This is called opry. This is a waste that came off from the rice wine. Yes, this is not enough for the pig. Sometimes we don't get this one. Sometimes we get, so we have to cook a rice, which is here inside it. It's a mix up with this other leftover food and rice. Piglets. It's really under hustle if you are doing a pig farming, because constantly you have to feed them. It's another investment. So if you are planning for pig farming or something like that, so make sure you prepare, make sure you do it in small scale. So we have done a lot of mistakes earlier because we didn't knew how to run this farming business. Like for instance, like these two mother there, that side, these two mother pig have not given birth, so we're thinking about selling them. They were we thought they will give birth to baby, but unfortunately they didn't give, so we're thinking about selling them. Another problem is that shortage of food, which is why the pig, if you look at the pig, you will see that they are very thin because the shortage of the food. Earlier we used to get a lot of this waste that came out from the rice beer, local rice beer, or to say wine. Now we are getting really less. So this is why we have to cook we have to buy a rice from the market, and we have to cook it and feed them so that they stay alive. But unfortunately this is not enough. Sometimes we used to give grasses and all that. As the number of the pig is very large, so it's very difficult to feed everyone. Yes, you can see there are so many of them. They fight for the food. That is why some of them will get less food, some of them will get enough. Someone will be able to fill up their stomach, someone will not. Now it's a fight against the strong and the weak, or the clever or the smart. But these two they look healthy because they have only one flat where they can easily get enough food compared to them, because their size is large. It's almost 12 noon, so they are hungry, so that's why they are screaming. These are some of the medicine it is necessary to give them for nutrition and for other he have already mixed it up. Now he will put water so that the bucket gets full, so that everyone gets the enough share for the food. This was given to mother pig. Some of the nutrition. These are two ducks. In a duck, if you're going for a duck, duck farming, you have to well prepared, because these ducks are very, very easy to die. When they are small, they will die for due to overheat, or sometimes they will die for too cold, something like that. Let's go that side. So this is the way this is the guy who stay in this farm. Now here given the food. Here mix it up with waste level food and with water. So this now enjoying the food. It's almost filled up, so they can easily fill up their stomach. Here mix it up water and level food. Now he's going for the mother pig. So far we have sold three of the piglets. One was given to the person who donated a female for meeting. Sorry, not female, male for meeting. So we have to give him. We gave him one piglet. Now he's feeding the pigs. Mother pig is little bit, she's in much better health than before. Earlier she was, she couldn't walk properly, she couldn't stand properly. Now she seems she's looking better now. And even the piglet seems healthy. This is another problem that mother pig has to go through when they give birth. They have, they have to do their pain. Many of the people say that mother piglet went to, they become thin because after giving birth to babies. This one seems like a little bit healthier, more, more bigger than the rest of them. These guys must have eaten something, I guess. Seems like some kind of rubber. We feed them 3 times in a day. One in the morning, and the noon, and the evening. What he's trying to do right now is trying to separate them from each other, so that everyone get the share, making sure that everyone get the share, keeping distant the plate where he wanna give. It's necessary that everyone get the share. So what he's trying to do is trying to give a little bit to each one of them. Give a little by little so that everyone gets the share. Because if you give in one plate at a time, only then others will not get a share. So that's the way he is trying to making sure everyone gets the share. One bucket is over. Now he's trying to bring another one. Yeah, he's bringing another one. Yeah, there you go, another one.